bittersweet moment for me because this couch is going. It has done its time, the couch and the bench as well. I am actually selling them. I've posted them on Instagram today, so by the time this video is going up, I might have sold them or not. Just check with me to see whether it has been bought or not. So yeah, I am selling them, but I have loved them for the time that I have been with them. This seat had a large sitting area, so it was good for my back, but it can be hard to maintain, like to keep spotless when life gets busy, and it's perfect for a person like me without kids. I don't think you can maintain this couch with kids, not unless you will be cleaning like every day, which is possible anyway. So yeah, that is how the living room looks before my other seat gets here, because it's like 10 minutes away and I'm super pumped up for it. I can't wait. I really did love this seat, but it doesn't make sense to have all this space with such a small couch, because it's a 3-seater and then the bench can fit 2 people. So those are 5 people. You can't be hosting 5 people, not even 5. It's like 3, because we still have me and my husband and I. So it's like 3 people in all this space, so we need a bigger one, like a 7-seater. Yeah, that's that. I will show you when the couch is here, but I'm super excited. So the couch will be there. It's a 7-seater, and then I will look for another 1-seater over here. Masawe Interiors is doing it for me. Masawe is the same person who did my dining area set, or my dining table and chairs, and I love that set so much. So I can't wait to see what she will do with the what is it called? Is it called a wing chair or an accent chair? Let me just call it an accent chair. So yeah, I'm getting that from her, although that might take some time, but we will see. Anyway, let me stop talking and wait for the other seat. I will see you when my other couch is here. This is a different day. I went along Gong Road looking for a bed. Ended up seeing these gorgeous outdoor seats that I loved, and this is exactly what I had in mind for my balcony backyard area. I love them. I needed to buy 2, but decided against the impulse buy. Each was going for 5,000, by the way, in case you are wondering. Unfortunately, I can't give you the contacts because I haven't had an experience with these guys, but I think if you drive along Gong Road, I'm not the best person to give directions. You will find them, but they are gorgeous. I will insert a photo over here so that you can see what I'm going for. Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. My new couch got delivered, and who better to call than Zen Fresh Cleaners. These are the same guys who did my move-in cleaning. If you have not seen how this house looked before we moved in, you guys don't know Zen Fresh. I will leave that video on the description box so that you can go see it. And you guys, I was so worried that that couch wouldn't dry, but they assured me it would, and true to their word, we were seated on that couch by evening, and we were not doing much on this day. We were just cleaning the dining area, the living area, and we also cleaned the carpet and the outdoor area, which was in bad shape, like you will see on this video. But Zen Fresh, being who they are, they went over and beyond, weeded the area and cleaned it as well, and they left my carpet sparkling clean as well. Look at that. And the carpet dried on the same day as well, although I didn't install them for no reason, but they left them sparkling clean. I will leave a flyer on this clip so that you can see some of the other services that they provide, because they do more than move in, move out cleaning. And you guys go watch my video and see their amazing work, because they are truly amazing.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always...
Hello, welcome back to this vlog. I think the last time I shot for this vlog was when Zen Fresh came to clean the couch. They cleaned it and it's dry now, completely dry. Like it was dry the same day. We actually sat on it that very evening, but I've never returned the carpet. So that is what I want to show you, and I also want to show you the seat. I don't think I gave you any details regarding it, so yeah, that is what I want to do. So let's do it. So this is the couch, and I think the light is giving it a different color, so I think I will light the ring light after this. These ones are cream white, but I think the light is doing a number on them. So it's a nail couch. I want to put back the carpets, and I have curtains over here that you will see in a different video. And then this one right here is from Masawe Interiors. I think I should just put this part in order so that I can show you. Let me do that.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two.
So this is the seat that I got from Masawe Interiors, and you guys, don't I love it? I totally love it, and I am thinking that with time I can get another one because I still have a lot of space over here. I can do two. Actually, that was my initial plan, to do two accent chairs and a sectional sofa, and then with time I will get a bigger plant for here because this one is not making sense. This one is supposed to be there, but that's it. And then this is the couch. I love how comfortable this couch is, for starters. And then I think I had told you that I didn't want a bright sofa because I'm changing the theme of the whole house. You will see that with time. And I got these two pillows, this one and this one did not come with the couch, but the rest came with it. Yeah, so that's that. I am going to change the coffee tables. I'm also going to change the TV stand, and for now I have shears, but I have curtains that I want to install. You will see that in a different video, but yeah, that's it. This couch is comfortable. It's from Tiny House on Instagram. I will leave their page on the description box below. But in the next house, in this house you're going to see a lot of browns, a lot of blacks, because that is what I'm going with, and a bit of creams here and there, but blacks you will see lots of them. So that's that. And I love those two lights from Tungsten. I think I have mentioned Tungsten a lot, but that's it.